be like California earthquake.
That should be CAC.
Yeah, but that like doesn't have the same ring to it. It's like a little worse. Sounds kind of like slurping.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that is good. We had like a high school, it was Washington Lee High School, and they were changing names. This is everything in Virginia is named after Ruby Lee. And they changed it to Washington Lee, which like objectively makes no sense. And everyone thinks it's really cool because everything just said WL on it.
Right.
And they were like, well, we can't change that. Like,
Well, but SCAC like spent a year trying to do this rebrand. They were
oh,
like,
really?
Like we finally figured out the rebrand. We're rebranding from SCAC to
It's just
SCAC.
the logo's exactly
And the
the
logo is
same.
exactly the same name.
Because the logo already had the entire state of California on it. It was the always the goal was just to like include Cascadia and include Montana.